Do you want to know 2 tips to make better and faster decisions for your business? Well, if you do, make sure you watch this video until the end. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Arthur Early here. And that's right. Today we're going to be talking about 2 tips to make better and faster decisions in your business. But before I do that, I want you to go ahead and make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. All right? And also make sure you smash that bell notification so you can know when I'm going live and dropping brand new videos. So, today we're going to be talking about making faster, smarter, quicker decisions. All right? Make what I like to call executive decisions. Now, making smarter and faster and quicker executive decisions is a good thing. Whether you believe it's a good thing or whether you think it's a bad thing, I'm here to let you know that it's a good thing. Because whether you're on a mission or a goal that's going to be in front of you, it should be very, very easy in the sense that this is the decision that you're going to be making to move me closer to my goal. Or is it the decision that I'm making that's going to be moving me further away from my goal, right? So here's the deal. In this particular business, there's couple. I have a couple of pet peeves. I've only been online for about 3 years, but in that 3 years, I've developed a aptitude for certain things. And one of the things that bothers me is when somebody hits me up and says, would you mind looking at my opportunity if it didn't interfere with what you're currently doing or with your opportunity? And the truth is, guys, it's got to interfere, plain and simple. Because if you have a goal in your business and you want to achieve it, it's got to interfere. So what you have to do is you have to make a decision. You have to decide what is the goal. All right? What is the goal? And if anything that comes in your path that moves you closer to your goal, well, then that's a good decision. But if you have something that comes into your path and it moves you further away from your decision, then guess what? It's a bad decision. All right? So I'm going to jump right into it. So for those of you that are taking notes, you might want to take notes because I got some golden nuggets tonight that I'm going to be dropping for you that really nobody in the industry is going to be talking about and going to be letting you know these certain things that you're going to be able to make decisions faster. All right, and as we progress, guys, I'm going to be getting into more of this and into more of what I have done in my business, what I've able to do to make decisions faster that have greatly affected me and financially put some money in my pocket as far as what the business brings to you. All right. So number one, all right, the thing that I want you to know, and this is going to sound very, very weird because your mind. All right, your mind doesn't think this way. All right, your mind wants sure things. Your mind wants guarantees. We want sure things. We want assurances in our decision making. But the one thing that we have to learn how to do is we have to learn how to brace uncertainty. All right, so when you come into an online business, like the business I've been telling you guys about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a description, a link in this description below to let you know all about this business that I've been telling you guys about that have been making people brand new to an opportunity that never done it, that have had jobs in the city that they got laid off on due to this quarantine, that have come in and have been able to make the money that they were making in their job online in the short period of time. That opportunity that I've been telling you guys about, I'm going to go ahead and drop that link in the description down below. But when they come into this business, guess what happens? Me personally, I get asked this question a million times, and I'm pretty sure if you're in the online business and you've been marketing for a while, you've gotten asked this question too. And that question is, how long is it going to take for me to get results? How many of you asked that? Go ahead and comment down below and let me know how many times have you been asked that question. All right. Now here's the deal, guys. I can't decide for you how long this is going to take for you to get results, how long it's going to take for you to make money, how much money you're going to make. Those things I can't answer for you. Okay. I know for me, it took me 6 months to make my first nickel online, my first penny. Okay. 6 months, to make my first dime online. So the point here is you have to embrace this uncertainty because there's no guarantee. All right, there's no guarantee. For the 100+ videos that I've had that I've talked about making money online, I've never really guaranteed that you were going to be making money online because my results are not typical. So don't be typical, but there's no guarantee. The only guarantee that you get is going to be taxes and death. All right. But what I can make a guarantee for you is that I can guarantee if you put in your all right, you're going to be able to make it. All right. That's the guarantee that I have. You have to be able to be willing to give your all. But if you're willing to do this, it's actions like these that you're going all in that's going to make you successful. All right. That's the actions are going to encourage success. It's going to drive you to success. But you have to ask yourself, are you willing to get uncomfortable? Are you willing to embrace the uncertainty? And, just remember, growth happens outside of your comfort zone. All right. And I've been telling you guys this for a while. If you play small, you stay small. All right. Sometimes you can't make decisions based upon feelings, right? Or emotions. Sometimes the right decision doesn't feel good. Sometimes the right decision is not comfortable. Does that make sense, guys? Guys, let me know. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know what decisions that you have made in your business and to reach your goals that have been super uncomfortable, because I have too many to list. All right. You have to be able to separate the emotion from being able to use your mind. Being uncomfortable is not a bad thing, guys. Being uncomfortable and making uncomfortable decisions is not a bad thing, because this lets you know that you're being challenged and your thinking and your limits of the decision making is being challenged as well, guys. If you go along in life and you really don't have to make decisions and you just, this is my life and I do this and I do this and I do this and I don't have to make any decisions, no good decisions today, no, you're not going towards a goal, because when you go towards a goal, guys, you have to make decisions. It's just plain and simple. And like I said before, some of those decisions that you're going to make that is going to bring you to that success, it's not comfortable, guys. It's very uncomfortable. You might even lose sleep. You might get anxiety. But you have to know that ultimately that it's going to be the right decision. All right, guys? So that's number one in making faster and better decisions for your business. Number two is the thing I like to call decision fatigue. And I was reading the other day, because I like to read and feed my brain and feed my mind on things of success and study people of success. And Jeff Bezos, the richest man in the world, said that he makes his hardest decisions in the morning, because by the end of the day, he's so overloaded with decisions that he doesn't want to fuck up and make the wrong decisions because he's just so fatigued in making decisions. And, you know, I don't know how true this is, but there's a lot of saying that if you see guys like Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg, that they don't dress very well. They don't wear the nicest clothes because they said, you know, making decisions on what to wear is one of the decisions that they didn't want to make because they can take that decision and replace it with a little bit more of a better decision. Once again, I don't know how true that is, but it does make sense. You know, we're making decisions all day long, and if you're that successful and at that level where you have to make decisions about a multi-billion-dollar company, then making the small decisions may affect larger decisions. Okay, and from time to time, we have a lot of decisions that we put off. You know, we put these decisions off, and you know, sometimes those decisions build up. I got to do this. Do I have to do that? What do I have to do over here? What do I have to do over there? Right? And sometimes the decisions, they pile up and they pile up, and we get something called decision overload and decision fatigue, and that's just not what we want to do in our business, guys. We want to be able to make clear decisions. All right. So, guys, listen. Those are really quick. Like I said, I just want to jump on here. Been on here for maybe like 5 or 6 minutes. Jump on and just give you guys these value in regards to your online business and the decisions that you can make every single day and how to make decisions faster. They say successful people make decisions fast and change their mind slow. Are you one of them? All right, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.